The most interesting pageant content is back. Now 2204, your pageant blogger host. Subscribe.
Narito na ang pinakahihintay na Binibining Pilipinas 2026 Final Hot Picks na inilabas ng Miss Zoology, kung saan ipinakita ang mga kandidatang itinuturing na pinakamalalakas sa contenders bago ang Grand Coronation Night. Narito ang Miss Zoology Top 12 Final Hot Picks for Binibining Pilipinas 2026. For Top 12, we have Kaluya Antique, Britney Angel Rubino. Number 11, Bacolod, Tracy May Sunyo. Number 10, Oriental Mindoro, Angelica Arwin Evora. Number 9 spot, Kawayan Isabela, Jerina Sandu. Number 8, Pampanga, Ann Klein Castro. And of course, number 7 spot is Julian Rain Antonio of Dumaguete. Number 6, Cagayan de Oro, Gwyneth Jemima Chan. Number 5, San Jose Occidental, Mindoro, Ain Nikaila Abad. And of course, our number 4 spot, La Union, Anjali Pradeep Kumar. Number 3, Iloilo, Patricia Lynn Birda. Number 2 spot, Baguio, Gwendolyn Meliz Soriano. And number 1, Tarlac, Sasha Juliebel Lacuna. Who do you think will win and wear the crowns in Binibining Pilipinas 2026 Grand Coronation Night? Mamaya na po ang Grand Coronation Night, kaya't patuloy tayong magbibigay ng live updates para sa inyong lahat. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Magkita tayong muli sa Grand Coronation Night. Support your favorite candidates and leave a comment.